Hi, and welcome back to www.consultsuze.com. If you are watching my YouTube channel or consultsuze.com, I'm sure you're interested in raising your TOEFL score. So today I'd like to talk about the TOEFL iBT Writing Independent Essay Task 2, the Introduction. The introduction you have, if you already listened to the last video, you will have about 3 minutes timing to do your introduction according to the timing I set. In those 3 minutes, you need to write 3 sentences in your introduction. The first sentence begins as a general statement. The second sentence is your opinion or your feeling about that statement in response to the question. The third sentence is the main idea, your thesis. So in 3 minutes you can write your introduction. The introduction is a very important part of the essay because it contains the main idea, which the raters will look for, and it contains information to lead into the essay, a general statement, so it draws the reader into the essay. So let's look at how to write the introduction. The first sentence will be a restatement of the question, so you need to read the topic question very carefully. Let's suppose your topic is the following question. The younger generation is more likely to improve the world. Do you agree or disagree? In this case, the first sentence you will restate the topic. And since the question was the younger generation is more likely to improve the world, you want to start your introduction with a general background on that topic using similar words, but not exactly the same words. So you could say, for instance, the young generation or the now generation instead of the younger generation. Then you could continue with the statement, something similar along the lines of is interested in bettering the world instead of is more likely to improve the world. Another way you could phrase a general statement is some people think that the young generation want to improve the planet. So the topic needs to be similar, but using maybe 2 synonyms. So read the question carefully. The second sentence you will answer. In this case, the question was, do you agree or disagree? You want to decide in your mapping time what is the easiest way to respond. In the case that you think the easiest way to respond is agree, then you would give your opinion in the second sentence. For instance, you could write, I fully agree. Or you could write, I am in full agreement. Or, I strongly agree. If you'd like to make a little bit longer sentence to show your opinion, you could have it a little bit longer and say something to the effect of, I am in full agreement that the generation of today is working to make the world a better place. The point here is that your second sentence gives your opinion where you answer the question. Usually the question is agree, a disagree, preference, support, oppose, sometimes compare. In those cases, you want to use a word that is similar to the question. So if the question is, what is your preference? Then you would state, I prefer. If the question is, do you support or oppose? You want to specifically write, I support or I oppose in the second sentence. The third sentence of your introduction is the most important of the entire essay. It is your thesis. The thesis contains the main idea. The thesis needs to be short and debatable. So debatable means it contains your argument on topic and it will contain your reasons. In the case that you have mapped out 2 reasons, you will have 2 reasons in your thesis. Or in the case that you have mapped out 3 reasons, you will have 3 reasons in your thesis. If you would like more information on writing the thesis for the independent essay, go to watch my next video and visit www.consultsuze for more tips. Thank you for watching.